Hello everyone, welcome back to
Hello.
our channel. It's my birthday today, so we're going to a beach house resort. Quite exciting because it was raining this morning. Sun decided to show up, so I'm happy about that.
Yeah, that's really good. It's should I say it? It's
No.
How old is Molly
I
today?
don't want.
It's a pretty big big event. Well,
It has a 0 on it, so I don't want to tell anyone yet.
Yeah,
Or
so-
yeah.
see you guys there in a bit.
Out of my mind, how could I be so blind? How could I not see? Awake on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal.
And it's pouring now, so I guess one of those days where you think it's gonna be nice, but it's turns out the opposite.
I keep living alone. We're so far from home. Free, but ready to flee from this all. Hard to be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your own.
Pero we have to select which one is ours, Lex. In the middle probably? Okay. Sa amin
Okay,
yung
gusto mo yung
middle,
malapit doon sa...
Sa amin yung middle.
Gusto mo malapit doon sa band, ba? Dito na lang.
Ako, di ba? No, ako, birthday ko. Tinano? Ako nini. Imiya, kami kasama. Hey, English. Yes,
What you say?
Mine.
So we're here at the resort, and as you guys will notice, this whole area is actually reserved for us. There's actually 3 private rooms, so individually, the bigger house is right here, and we could actually use this for our stay here for the night. So let's make our way up there and let's have a look at what's up there. So check this out.
So a day bed. Day
There's
beds.
a day bed right here, actually 2. And then you got the TV. And I don't know how to play this.
Ukulele.
It looks like a small ukulele that you could play with. Oh yeah, check this out. So there we go. We got a balcony. It kind of sucks because it's obviously
Yeah.
raining. But
It's
check out
okay.
the view. Look at the ocean.
Oh my
right?
goodness.
The beach.
It's so nice. My family are going crazy.
So far, look at it. It's awesome. So what's inside here?
That's probably an indoor
Oh,
bedroom.
we got the actual bed here. So I'm not sure why there's a fridge in here, but there is a fridge here.
Oh, that's a really colorful fridge.
And then you got air conditioning here. And you got some storage, you got a fan.
It's nice. I love it.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's a really nice size beach house. And we paid 9,500 pesos, which was about 250 Canadian dollars or 200 US. And yeah, we're gonna have the place for ourselves. So we can be noisy until 10 p.m. There's a karaoke.
So everyone's all excited. They're all down there exploring. ATB, stars. And there's CJ right there. So
Di na lang dito. Oh, di na lang kamo. So that is the upstairs area. Downstairs we have a bigger, really huge dining table. quite nice because you can entertain your friends and family here while enjoying the view.
And here's the star of our show, Angie.
Our special guest because she's special in a way.
And we are the penguins.
That's actually Molly's best friend.
Let's go! Food package that we ordered from Jenny. It looks really good.
This is not a surprise anymore. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
From the siblings. And the siblings.
Dito ka na kayo ginatagalan mayaman?
So yes, after 25 years, this is my first time celebrating here in the Philippines. So I'm quite happy because the family, food, and the beach, they're quite noisy, but it's okay.
We want to be noisy!
Hindi mo ulit ang puto bumbong. Yung mga paanahan.
Uy, minsan na maging galante si After mo.
Oh, diba? It's so nice. Let's check out the Ate M, stomach in. Oh, nice. So pretty. My sister's still single. Yeah, she has a Facebook account.
For someone special.
Oh, there you go. Mom is also single, but she's not allowed to date anyone anymore.
No more.
Are you gonna sing now? Are you gonna sing now?
Absarit.
What are you gonna sing? Wow. Grabe siya. So karaoke is also included for the 9,500 that we paid. So it's really nice. And all this beachfront here is ours for tonight. So there's a bigger house there, but this is what we are going to occupy for tonight. You can open it, or I can open it first. So there's a come closer, Cesar. There's a smaller bed here inside, so it's perfect for the two of us. Oh, nice! Nice one. Ikaw naman, BFF. Kita na ba? Oo. Kita. Oh, really? We have a winner. Look at the outfit. Backless kung backless. Oh, di ba? Hindi nakakuha ng memo to. Di ba sabi ko pink or white? Sabi ko hindi pink, hindi blue.
Tama akong dara.
Kanini siya
Well,
hubog na
matibay
ini.
ka na pakasipit mo na eh. Bagan, ano.
Wala tutang ka.
You okay, Gab? Aren't you tired? Not yet? Tama na. Tama na ikaw? Asan?
Decent sized crowd in there.
But where?
It's right there in the corner.
Oh yeah. Oh there.
Right there. There's a crab there.
Change outfit for the evening. This is from my Ukay store, Pink Elegance Boutique. It's so nice. I love it. I was supposed to sell this, but it's perfect for my 40th birthday. There you go, 40.
There goes the big reveal.
We are still here at the Sunshine Beach Resort. So far, it's really nice here. We love it here. No complaints at all. And
Good amenities, eh?
yeah, it's getting nighttime, so there's some lights and then karaoke later and lots of drinks.
Yeah, the karaoke is right there. So here's a shot of how it looks like.
Yeah.
It's dark. It's getting darker and yeah.
So the other side, my brother is cooking some barbecue that they put here this morning. So we have plenty of kids here now, all of a sudden.
Ganun mo ka siya? Sinani ko. Ang kamera. Dili. Pati sinani mo. Kuya.
The kids are enjoying. As you can see, they're trying to build a castle.
Cousin like this. Or cousin na cousin. Ay, aram. Ayun ninyo pagsiraan. Pwede ba? Dili kami mabantay kami ang masukot. Teka, loko mo si ano?
Tapos ganyan na, pag maglusot dapat iragon mo sa dakpo mo. As may mga pick nila. Oo.
Ha? Dito daw nyo kila ko tayo.
Oo. Pwede ka nagalusot. Dito mo. Nakasiraan to. Lusot.
Sa line ka lang, kuya. Sa line ka lang. Di na line sila, ho? Oo, ano na? Sige, pabalik na sila. Pabalik.
Ano na? Ano na?
We got our buddy here, Richard. He's actually a musician. He actually has a band.
Guitarist. Vocalist.
Ikaw, kuya, what are you?
He's a drummer.
Drummer. Kuya.
Hala, ubos na ang 40. Ay,
Ate, si Chelsea.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. More.
Blow!
Make you rest in my whenever you talk to me.
been a really fun day, and we're actually in our small, sort of cozy room right now, and
About to sleep because yeah, we had so much fun today and we're kind of drained already.
yeah. So with I especially did a lot of swimming today, and
Yeah.
it was good. We did some singing and
Dancing.
Well,
Alex never really
don't really
danced.
dance, so but overall, I think Molly's birthday was a success. You had
Yes,
fun, hopefully.
I really enjoyed the time being in the beach, being with the family, a good food as well. So it was
Yeah.
so much fun.
Yeah. So I guess we're gonna end our vlog for today.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Until next time,
Bye.
good night
Good night.
or good morning.
Goodbye. Good night. Good morning.